Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Unimark Springfield at Rajarat Newtown near Dirogio College and very close proximity from Akanksha Crossing, Newtown, Action Area 2. So now you can see this is our actual apartment of 1336 square feet sellable area. So come inside. So this is the living cum dining area. So with this living cum dining, you can see this is the attached balcony space. So this is the balcony and these are the gap between towers. And now come this side. So just adjacent to the balcony, you can see this is the kitchen space. So come inside. This is the kitchen space with L pattern countertop, black granite finish. Along with this you will be having a window, and the size of this kitchen is approximately 8 feet by 6.5 feet. It's almost a rectangle shaped kitchen. And now see this side of the hall. So this is the hall. So this side you will be having your wardrobe space, and beside that this is the lobby space. So come inside. This is the lobby space, and just on my right side this is the toilet area, common toilet with western commode, wall mount, and the basin space. And this side you will be having your separate shower space. So come outside. So now we are entering into the first bedroom. So on my left hand side this is the first bedroom. So see the size of this first bedroom. The approximate size of this first bedroom is 10 by 11 with a big size French window along with beautiful view outside, green view. And now come outside. Now we are again entering into the second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom. We are entering into that. So come inside. So this side we will be having windows for cross ventilation windows also, and a big size wardrobe space this side. And this bedroom size is approximately 12 feet by 11 feet. And see the view from the bedroom. So this is the actual view from the bedroom. This is the main entry gate of our project of Unimark Springfield, and these are our under construction towers, currently semi finished condition. So you can see that. And this bedroom is having excellent air and light supply, as you can see. So now come this side. So we are entering into the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, and the size of this master bedroom is approximately 12 feet by 11 feet with having a big size window, French window, and a wardrobe space like this big one. And this bedroom is also having a great view of the complex. As you can see, this is the view of the entry gate of our project. And not only that, you can also see our project status. So this is our project status. All the towers are semi ready condition. It's going to be handover very soon. So we are left with very limited availability options. And now come inside. So just beside that you can see this is the attached toilet space. So this is the attached toilet space along with wall mount commode and the basin area. So it's a flat of 3 BHK with 2 toilets. So with having one big size balcony. So if you are interested, then please call as early as possible, because we are offering some great discounts and bank schemes for very limited period. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for further updates.